Hi, welcome to the AllCasesHere. In this video we are going to talk about the top best Google Pixel Fold Screen Protectors 2023 you can buy on Amazon. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos. This list is based on my personal opinion and research and lists them based on quality, features, and pricing. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Introducing the Pixel Fold, Google's latest innovation in smartphone technology. With its unique folding design, the Pixel Fold offers a whole new level of convenience and versatility. However, like all other foldable devices on the market, it's important to keep in mind that the Pixel Fold may be more fragile compared to traditional candy bar style phones. That's where the importance of a screen protector comes into play. In this video, we will explore the best Google Pixel Fold screen protectors of 2023, ensuring that your device's displays remain in pristine shape. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of Pixel Fold screen protectors for your new investment. I have prepared this video guide for the best Google Pixel Fold screen protectors 2023. So let's get started. 3. Super Shield Screen Protector. The Super Shield screen protector offers real touch sensitivity, providing a natural feel and flawless touch screen accuracy. You can navigate your device with ease, knowing that every touch will be registered accurately and effortlessly. One of the primary concerns for any smartphone user is protecting their device from daily wear and tear. That's why the Super Shield screen protector is designed to shield your screen from scratches, dust, and scrapes that may occur during regular use. You can now go about your day, worry-free, knowing that your Google Pixel Fold is well protected. Investing in a high-quality screen protector is essential to maintain the pristine condition of your device. The Super Shield screen protector offers exceptional durability, ensuring long-lasting protection for your screen. No more costly repairs or screen replacements, this screen protector has got you covered. 2. Spigen Screen Protector. One of the standout features of the Spigen screen protector is its extreme clarity. Unlike some screen protectors that diminish the brightness and vibrancy of your device's screen, this protector is designed to preserve the original screen brightness, colors, and details. Experience your Pixel Fold's stunning display as it was meant to be seen, without any compromise. The Spigen screen protector is the perfect companion for your Pixel Fold. Its 9H hardness rating guarantees unmatched durability, while the oleophobic coating keeps pesky fingerprints at bay. The extreme clarity ensures a vibrant and true-to-life display, and its case compatibility makes it a hassle-free choice. 1. Milado Screen Protector. The Milado protector is scratch-resistant and stain-resistant. No more unsightly marks or blemishes on your device's screen. You can confidently use your device without worrying about accidental scratches or stains ruining your viewing experience. And here's the best part: no bubbles. Applying a protector can be a frustrating experience when it results in annoying bubbles. With Milado protector, you can say goodbye to those pesky bubbles. Enjoy a smooth and seamless application every time. But the benefits don't stop there. Milado also offers a 3-pack inner screen screen protector specifically designed for the Google Pixel Fold. With high transparency and an ultra-thin design, this screen protector ensures a bright and colorful image quality while maintaining the original visual experience. The high-response haptic touch technology provides a seamless touch experience, making you feel like there's nothing on your screen. Not only does this screen protector offer excellent image quality, but it also provides superior protection against drops and scratches. With a thickness of 0.33 mm, it maintains response sensitivity and a perfect touch experience. You can trust Milado to consistently keep your screen safe from any potential damage. And if you're looking for comprehensive protection, look no further than the Milado screen protector. This pack includes 3-pack inside and 3-pack front tempered glass camera lens protectors, ensuring that every aspect of your device is well protected. So guys, this was the video about the best Google Pixel Fold screen protectors 2023. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.